So we are in Sweden, Kaiser Classic, and we have a super unique 964 Turbo S. It's around 80 produced worldwide, lower than original, more power, 381 horsepower, and one of the first projects from Porsche's Exclusive department. For the Geneva Salon, it was presented as a lighter and more powerful turbo. It actually have a type of carbon front hood. Air scoops inspired from the 959. Absolutely gorgeous. It's for sale at Kaiser Classics, just around 40,000 kilometers. And this particular one has no options at all. One of, I believe, 11 without any options. Let's have a look. Turbo S, Porsche. Ska alltid strula. And you can see here, carbon hood, or a special type of carbon. Turbo S, of course, even the warning triangle is original, if you would ever need one. So this is super unique for the Turbo S. And that's... Yes, I managed to close it. Air intakes in the front. Speedline wheels. The outer parts are chromed. Leather everywhere. So it's very well spec'd from the factory. So I believe this must be the first 8K video of a 964 Turbo S, thanks to Kaiser Classic. What a gorgeous car. And first owner was Steffi Graf's father, apparently. Steffi Graf has now a family with Andre Agassi, I'm not sure, I believe they live in Las Vegas. And she had a long history with Porsche, with yacht tennis, and really started her tennis career together with Porsche. And this will cost you somewhere between 1.5 and 2 million euros. European version. Just look at the depth of this paint. Wow. No electric. But even these are leather clad. It feels like. Yes, it's leather. Wow. This is also leather, you can see. That's crazy. This is leather clad. This is leather clad. This must be the first manual what do you say? Not window in leather. Is this for the engine hood? Should we dare to push it? Okay, no, it's not. Just see the leather work here. Incredible. And yeah, the roof is probably leather as well. These are leather. Oh. Yes, everything's leather. Yeah, you really notice it's a 9.6 or a Turbo S exclusive part. And you know what? We forgot to show the signature from the Turbo S responsible person. I think we need to open the hood again. Okay, let's have a look. The signature. Jag kommer inte ihåg det förut. Jag har om den filmen. Jag får klippa här. Jag lyckades ju fan öppna den förut och ställa. Aha, vänta. Anyway, here, the Porsche Exclusive responsible person signed it. Carbon. Wow. Oh yeah, here we have the engine. Of course. This is like perfect. And is this a special material? I'm not sure. Just perfect. And let's turn off the lights and see how it looks without lights. And this feeling of solidness of this car is just stunning. I haven't closed the door properly, of course.